This video guides you through purchasing courses in the Coggno marketplace. Go to the Coggno website, www.coggno.com. Click on Browse Courses. To find a course, type the title in the Search More course field. And click Search. Click on the Add to Cart button of the chosen course. Once you're ready to check out, click on the cart icon at the top of the page. You can adjust the number of licenses you need on the checkout page. If you have a coupon code, add it to the coupon field. Once everything is in order, you can proceed to payment. There are 3 payment options: credit card, purchase order, and PayPal. Let's try making a credit card payment. Fill in the needed credit card details. Then click the Place Your Order button. Your course is now available in your account. Click Continue to direct you to your dashboard. You may now start taking your course or distribute it to your user. Next video is about adding users to your LMS.